Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use WhatsApp on computer or desktop. On top right you see three dots, so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see link devices, so click on it. So we are going to link a device and we are going to use WhatsApp on computer or desktop. Now you see link a device, so click on it and then you see scan QR code. So first open web.whatsapp.com on your computer in any browser. Now you see screen and then we are going to scan QR code. So we are going to open WhatsApp on desktop. So this is the QR code. Now you see login in, loading your chat. So in this way you can open WhatsApp on desktop and then you see device name you can add and then click on save. So we added name and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.